a lonely woman waiting on a weary shore. I'm just a woman that's only human, one you should be sorry for. Got up this morning along about dawn. Without a warning, I found he was gone. Why should he do it? How could he do it? He never done it before. Am I blue? Am I blue? Ain't these tears in these eyes telling you? Am I blue? You'd be too if each plan with your man done fell through. Was a time I was his only one, but now I'm the sad and lonely one. Thought it was I gay till today. Now he's gone and we're through. Am I blue? He's in Chicago, and I'm down here in Birmingham, trying to get the money to get to see my honey. I am, indeed I am, with the blues in my heart. How my shoes want to stop, but I'm in a jam. As blue as the sky blue, you're wondering why to these tears in these eyes telling you. No one feels like I do. Boo, 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 boo. Each plan with my man done fell through. Was a time I was his only one, but now I'm a sad and lonely one. Lordy, was I gay? Oh Lord, was I gay? Till today that man went away. Now he's gone and we're through. Am I blue? That's all. Maybe it's best that we're through. What was it leading us to? You were pretending this is just ending dreams that could never come true. You go your way in content. I'm trying hard to repent. My sin was loving you, not wisely, but too well. Your sin was letting me and getting me in your spell. Our sin was following a love that could not be. Now my sin is wanting you, though you've forgotten me. now I guess you found your happiness and your love is over too. But my sin is just the same. I'm still in love with you. That's all.
I'm a sentimental sap, that's all. What's the use of trying not to fall? I have no will. Oh, you made your kill, 'cause you took advantage of me. I'm just like an apple on a bough, and you're gonna shake me down somehow. So what's the use? You cooked my goose, 'cause you took advantage of me. I'm so hot and bothered that I don't know my elbow from my ear. Suffer something awful each time you go, and much worse when you're near. Here I am with all my bridges burned, just a babe in arms where you're concerned. So lock the doors and call me yours, 'cause you took advantage of me.